Okay, we'll go through each section individually for the BD11 power rack. Okay, let's start with the frame. You've got a 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch steel tubing all the way around. You have 5 rubber base caps for support on the floor as far as not gouging the floor based on what it is. Maybe it's wood, cement, carpet. So the rubber caps help ground and give the rack some stability. You've got welded face plates on both sides to help support the structure as far as the weight. Okay, the unit comes with 2 solid steel bars that go all the way through the rack from the front to the back. And so if you're inside the rack doing squats or even bench press, you have a safety mechanism in place. Adjust those to, I guess, the height of your range of motion for the bar. If you can't get the bar back up to its location, drop it down. These guys will catch it. They adjust pretty easy. Again, they're solid steel. They're not going to go anywhere. My guess is your bar will break before these guys break. So find the correct hole for your height, slide it in, lock it into place, and that you can adjust up and down based on your range of motion for the bar you're using. Okay, here's a good example of how the safety bars can help you in the, let's say, the squat function. I've got the bar set up here for my height to get under, push it up, bring it back. I've got the bar set up with our rubber 3-grip rubber-coated Olympic plates. On the outside I have our LC53 lifting chains, and right here is our MB6 bar pad. I need this. It puts too much pressure back there on my neck bone, so I want to have some support. So you get under, you lift up, you do your workout. If you can't make it back to that last rep to put the bar back, then just drop down and these bars will catch the weight, so you can kind of sneak out, readjust it to a lighter weight, and start over. So they work as such. Get under, bring it back, do your squats. Let's say you can't get back up on the last one, and there you go. So safe way to scoot out, and you're good to go. The rack has 4 bar holders. You can adjust these on the inside or adjust them for the outside based on if you want to do work outside the frame or work inside the frame. Same function as the long sleeve bars. You put them in, lock them down, turn them, and they're in place. So adjust these up and down, just slide them in place, lock them down, and these hold the bars to do your squats or your bench press. Again, here are the safety bars, but here are the individual bars. So you have 4 of these, so put them where you like and start your workout. Okay, also sold separately for the BD11 is the BD11L lat pole. It's got a couple functions. You have the lat pole from the top down. You also have the low station, which you can do standing curls, standing upright rows, or seated rows, or the leg extensions if you have the accessories. So shown here is set up for the low T-bar roll. It comes with a chain adjusted for the right length. You can do stand-up upright rows or stand-up curls. Adjust the weights in the back. These are standard size pegs for the plates, but the Olympic plates will fit on it just fine. They're not going to fall off. You have a safety clip that goes on the peg that'll hold the plates in place. Okay, up top we have 2 stations. You have the chin-up station or pull-up station, call it what you like. On the back side you have the lat pull-down, which can also be the tricep push-down, pull-down as far as changing out the accessories. Or you can use the existing bar we have, or swap out to the small T-bar at the bottom for your upright rows, attach that to the top for your tricep pull down. So on the pull-up station, you have a solid steel chrome bar. It's bolted to the black frame, which is bolted to the main frame with a faceplate on the outside for more stability, more strength. You've got the knurl part going the whole length, so if you grip it here or grip it here, you get a nice firm grip from the knurl part to give your hand some support. Same with the lat bar in the back. You've got rubber grips on the back side or the end of it, and also a knurl part along here if you want to use this for the tricep pull down. Again, these stations are the pull-up, chin-up station and the lat pull-down station. A couple accessory items for the BD11 power rack. You've got a dip handle station right here, as well as the dumbbell holder racks down here.